One afternoon, on the school bus, there was a student named Alex who often made fun of others and bullied them. Many kids on the bus felt uncomfortable and hurt by Alex's words. One day, as the teasing continued, a student named Sam decided they couldn't stay silent any longer. Feeling nervous but determined, Sam approached the bus driver and explained how Alex's behavior was affecting everyone. The bus driver nodded thoughtfully and promised to help. The next day, after all the students had taken their seats, the bus driver asked Alex to come forward. With everyone listening, the driver spoke calmly but firmly about how important it is to treat each other with respect. Alex listened as the driver explained how words can hurt and how everyone deserves kindness. The driver then encouraged Alex to think about how they would feel if someone treated them the same way. After a moment of reflection, Alex apologized to the students and promised to change. From that day on, the atmosphere on the bus improved, and everyone felt safer and happier. It was a lesson that kindness can make a big difference and that speaking up can help create a better community for everyone. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks a million.